I've never seen my wife so happy.
Why do we choose Dream Doors? Because we were sick of our old kitchen. Straightforward, quick communication that worked around with our schedule. Working in the kitchen, there was so much space and room for activities. Even cleaning, I'm happy to do the dishes because there's space.
So am I. All the storage and
extra bench space was cool.
It's been awesome.
And the kids were excited as well. They could open up all the drawers and wow, we could put things in this cupboard and that cupboard, and yeah, so it was a game changer for our family to be able to not have things all over the bench top because we have a pantry. And we even actually sit up there and have a cup of tea some evenings because there's so much.
So the old kitchen was small for us with the bench space.
Dark and dingy and made the space closed in. We just love the whole vision, how it goes from the floor to the ceiling to all the pantry with the pull-out drawers and the cupboards. Jason asked about what bench top we wanted and tapware and all that kind of thing, and I even said, I need a new range hood and I want a new sink. He had all these contacts, had all the samples for the different stone bench tops, cabinetry, so didn't have to go anywhere, and made it really easy. We actually also did like a cabinetry storage wall / office space, and it was amazing, made that dream come to life. Plain, tidy, sleek wall, so yeah, really happy. Contact Dream Doors.
Yeah.
You won't regret it. They are just so easy. Yeah, of course we can do that. And I thought, oh, what about adding in that little extra little nook just there? Nah, not a problem. Let us have our vision, and they brought it to life for us, which was awesome.